I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Okay, today we've got the Performax 9-inch 2.5 amp bandsaw. I got this at Menards. This is actually the second one I got. The first one I got all the way unpacked, assembled, like to adjust the tracking and tension the belt, and busted off the lock lever. I should say saw blade, not belt. So here's the second one. Let's get to it. Okay, now we need to put this table on the saw. So we need to take off this knob first. You can just about do it without it, but it's easier if it's out of the way. And then for some reason they put this on here. They should have left it off. They just slide it through the blade. Line it up on these two posts, and then install this locking handle in this position here. Then we'll replace this whole blade thingy. Reinstall this knob. Okay, now we need to loosen this screw and spin this indicator around so it points to 0. I'm not going to worry about zeroing it out now because I'm not really worried about the blade being true to the table at this point. Okay, the next step is to check the trueness of the blade on the wheels here. Got one on top and bottom. We're only going to look at the top here in the video. All we need to do is spin it forward. And we can see it's running true to the center of the blade, and it's same at the bottom, so we don't need to adjust the tracking on it. But if we needed to, we just use this handle right here. Okay, the last thing to do is check the blade tension. All we need to do now is turn it on, and then we'll loosen the blade tension until the blade starts to flutter. And then I'll tighten it back up until it stops. And once it stops, that'll be where we need to be. So let's try it out. Okay, the blade's fluttering there, so I'm going to tighten it back up. That looks good to me. Okay, the very last thing to do is to tighten or to adjust the blade guide. The one on the left looks good. I'm going to just adjust the right one slightly. That's good there. Okay, I'm just going to put the miter gauge on here and throw on this fence just for storage. That's it. Thanks for watching.